Someone is at the front door. Things are busy at our house. I mean, there is really a lot to keep track of. Amazon makes keeping our home stocked with food and supplies a lot more simple. And as parents of growing kids, this is a huge help. The Dash Smart Shelf makes replenishing our home products easier than ever, and places a reorder or notifies you when you're running low. The Dash Smart Shelf comes in 3 different sizes, and they never need an outlet because they have batteries that last at least 2 years. The Smart Shelf is easy to set up. Just use the Amazon shopping app, add the Dash Smart Shelf to your account, and pair it with something you always want stocked. We chose a protein drink that we frequently buy. You can simplify your home a little bit more with the Dash Smart Shelf.